Hello, today I'm going to show you how to fix random ads pop up on Android phone. As you can see in the video, the ad always randomly pop up on my phone when I unlock it. So today, I will show you how to fix this problem. First, open Setting. Then you need to search for Private DNS. And click on Private DNS. Then select Private DNS Provider Hostname. Then type dns.adguard.com. And click Save. Okay, now no more ads randomly pop up on my phone anymore, and I hope this video can help you if you meet this problem. And thanks for watching. If you liked this video, then make sure you hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay tuned with us. Thanks and bye for now.